What's going on, everyone? Nolasco here. Welcome back to the Nike Fox. And what do we got here? We got the Nike Adapt. Nice colorway though, but the orange one was much better. This one's on retail. Another one on retail. This one you can buy it online though. No additional discount. So what else? Oh, this one, it is very comfortable running shoes, the Zoom X%, and I really want this one, but I'm waiting for the off-white though. Okay, we got 99, and this one, it's kind of USA colorway. Well, not bad for the price. Well, 99, but hey, look at this one. This one is much better. 69.740 Nike Air Max 2090. We got some running shoes, Nike Epic React 69.99. Well, not bad. Another running shoes, this one's much more cheaper, 54.99. This one is the Renew Run. Nice colorway of black and white. We got here is the PGs 49.97. Thanks, price not bad. They got a bunch of sizes. Oh, 49.97. This should be a good for personal, but the price of retail or resale is not really high. This one is not bad as well, 44.97. Nice. Orange is, well, I'm gonna check out the bigger ones. And we got 69.97 for the Kyries. How about that? University red, man, I like it though. What do you think? Alright, so look around on the Jordan aisle. We got here 119 of the 6 ring. Well, I'll pass. Oh, we got some LeBron 99.99. Good for personal. For resale, not bad. Hash wall, clearance wall. We got some Air Force One. This one is 99. How about this one? I already got me one pair of this one. It's very soft, very comfortable. 79.97. You can't go wrong on this. Nice shoes. Another one with a different colorway, white and black. The other one much better with the orange one. 64.97, and this one. Here we go, 99.97 of the Air Max 2017. I'm gonna ask if they got more of this one. This one might be selling somewhere around 200-ish something. And how about this one? Your thoughts? Nice colorway though. 69.97 for the price. Oh, not bad for a basketball shoes. Oh, we got some Mambas here. We got some Mambas. 7.97. Alright, and another one for 69.97. What do you think on this one? Nothing going on women, so we already here on the kids. 69.99, and this LeBron retail is 160. Not bad though. Okay, these are we're gonna pick up. Alright, so dropping on the mall for leftover days.
Do you got a leftover on the Jordan ones? Do you have a grade school?
Oh, I got it a 4 and a 6.
I'll have a 1.6. I'll have the 6.
Alright, checking out the champs if they got something.
Fun leftovers on Foot Locker. Oh my. So someone just ghosted me again. Yeah, so it's not my first time being ghosted. Yeah,
You mean, ghosted me because I was supposed to meet someone and a buyer of the Jordan 1 Electro Orange. Our time meet up supposed to be 12, but then no show. This is the hardest part and downside of meeting up someone. If they no show, then you just wasted your time. We went to the Nike factory store today and we got a couple found. So, okay, here we go. So we got 3 pairs of this Nike Air Max 2090. The retail of this one is $150, and we got this for $69.97. $69.97, Air Max 2090. Okay, so this is the cheapest, the one that they got in the store. I wish I could have additional discount, but the profit margin on this one is somewhere around $20 to $25, pushing to $30, but maybe I'm just gonna stick with the $20 to $25 return of investment. Next one, we got here PG4. Retail on this one is $110. We got it for $44.97, and we got only 1 pair, size 11. Actually, they got a bunch of colorway, bunch of sizes. The other one also have the size. The other one is color grayish, mostly black. Those, no resale value on those, but this one I pick up the size 11, the biggest one, because this one have more resale value rather than the other ones. Maybe I'm gonna push it somewhere 100. Last one, we found it at Nike factory store. Surprise, surprise. They got the Air Max 2017, retail $190. We got it for $19.97. Boom. That is a huge profit right here. So that was a nice pickup on Nike factory store. Maybe somewhere around 120 max return for the day. And then, since I'm already on close to the mall and it is sneaker hunting day on the Jordan 1 Electro Orange, went to Foot Locker finish line. Went to the finish line, nothing. Went to Champs, nothing, and we found one on Foot Locker. So we got size 6Y. Boom. Yep, we got another one. So this have to do you gotta do your footwork. So as you can see, it's still clean. Smells really good. So I wanted to have more of the men's if they could have something there, but nothing. So I'll just pick it up what I could get. Size 6Y, Jordan 1 Electro Orange. So if you can't win on the raffle, you have to do the footwork, guys. You have to do it. You gotta go there. If you don't have, if you don't have million points to win on the raffle, and it's hard to win if you don't have that million in raffle. So only way is to go out there, do the footwork, go ask the store if they had a leftover. So do the work, footwork, if you really want a shoe for retail. But if you have money to buy it for resale, then so be it. So that's how we do the hustle. See you next time. Bye.